What I actually need to learn to be financially free? Maybe I need to enjoy my juice. No, life is easy, guys. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's your French voice Monakes again. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys 3 skills you need to learn and get financial freedom. Just three skills. Those 3 skills are the basis actually for financial freedom. So without further ado, let's jump to it. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe if you are not a returning subscriber, and also give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video, if you like this video. So let's jump to it. The first skill you need to learn to be financially free is the negotiation. Learn how to negotiate. You know, when people talking about negotiation, you think like, oh, you're going to buy something, you're going to buy something, for example, you're going to buy fruit, and the person say no, it's a $50, and you say no, I want it for $30. No, I'm not talking about this type of negotiation. When I'm talking about negotiation is that learn how to value what you want. For example, I'm taking example for myself, like always example of myself. When I was in my country, when I was in Ivory Coast, in the university, I was having a little bit holiday, and I was sitting at home. One of my friends got alert from someone, said, no, there is a job somewhere in the construction site, And we went there together, two of us, like me and my friend. I'm the university student, and he stopped at high school. He just stopped at high school, grade 7, something like that. He didn't went so far. So we went there, and the owner of the construction said, no, it's to take the brick on the first floor and come at the bottom of that. That's it. It was about 400 bricks like that. Just that, and we'll decide what is the price of that. And he asked us, like, how much you guys want for this job? And I'm looking at my friend, I say, and they say, okay, let's go talk a size. And when we went there, we start talking. I said, like, what will you propose to this guy here? What will you say? How much will tell him? And he said, okay, I have to propose first. I said, okay, I propose a price. He said, no. That's not this job is not even close to be with this price here, so we have to increase. I said, man, like, if you do that, this owner will find other people that they will do the job, and we will lose this contract. So we better tell him this price. He said, no. So let me propose, and he proposed the price. The price he proposed was actually 3 times the price I proposed. I said, what, man? That's not possible. Like, please. Also, this is a good side as well. We don't do anything right now, and if you do that, that's a good amount of money we can manage in that and all. He said, no, don't worry, I manage that. I can manage that, and let's go. We'll tell the owner this price. I said, okay, but we were going there, but inside of me, I said, no, this job, we will lose this contract. So because this price is insane, and we went there. My friend tell the owner, okay, this is the price, and he don't even hesitate. He said, okay, no problem, just I want you guys to do this job well. I said, wow. I say inside of me, I said, like, I'm acting smart here, I'm acting like a educated person and all, but I don't know anything about like negotiation. Like, for me, I would have done this job for just a small amount of money, and I will be happy, because the amount I proposed was, it was a decent amount, but it was not the value of this job. So actually, I don't even propose the value of this job. I just propose a price like that because I want money. Or if you know how to negotiate, you actually tell people the real value of your work. That's the thing. So this guy didn't went to school. He didn't went far to school and all, but he know the value of his job. He know the value of what he's doing. So that's the best thing people need to learn, because like sometimes you can have something, and to monetize that is problem. For example, I'm doing YouTube, and a brand approach me and say, okay, we want to to deal with you, we want to have a brand deal with you, so how much you propose? And for me, I can propose a small price, and it will be good for me because it's money anyway, but it's not actually the real price. And people who propose you the price, they will make the same amount of money from this deal, and you keeping that, you're happy, you think that is your real value, or it's not. So negotiation is one of the best thing a human being supposed to learn. Yeah. And plus, as a student, you can read books about negotiate, like how to negotiate, like anything. Yeah. So that's the first skill people need to learn. The second one is to learn how to manage human beings, is to learn human beings behave. Because in the society, like, people are different. There is people who just don't like what you're doing. There is people who will like what you're doing. So it's better to learn how human beings work. For example, you know someone in your school and is good in account, and you don't know account, and you know if this guy explain you this account, like, everything will be clear in your mind. But this guy, he behaves so badly, he behaves different. But after all this, he know what he doing. Like, he can teach you and you will be okay. So why, judge him on the basis of what he doing, like how he behave? No, you just have to, get what you want from him, and that's it. Leave him with his problem. Yeah, don't try to change people. No, don't try to change people. Like, take people the way they are. Yeah, so that learn how to manage people in the society. That's the best thing also. That's one of the best thing. Yeah, because, for example, if you want to sell something and you don't even know what people need. For example, you go to an area, people need charcoal, and you sell them computers. Does not make sense. Yeah, does not make sense. So you have to learn what people want, how people behave in this area, everything. So basically, you need to be like water. You need to adapt. You need to adapt yourself everywhere. So those are the skills you need to learn. First, you need to learn how to negotiate, and second, you need to learn human beings behave. Now, the third one is learn how to take action. That's the best part. Learn how to take action. A lot of people, they say, oh, okay, I attend this masterclass, I take this course, I pay for this one, I pay for this one. Okay, you pay for all this one, but at the end of the day, what you doing with all this? Yeah, there is people who spending their time online watching masterclass again and again and again, but they don't even take any action. So if you don't take action, how you can do whatever you want? No, you'll always go to work for someone, and I don't know, you'll always go to work for someone. But if you're taking action, if you're taking risk, you can see what you're capable to do. So the best thing here is to take action. If you attend a masterclass, try at least do something. Everything will not work for you, like, that's for sure. Like, you cannot do like something and it will work 100%. Anything will not work for you. So the best thing is to take action. Just take action. Okay, I'm doing that. I will try that, and you do. If it don't work, that's not a problem. At least you try. So take action is one of the best skills to learn. Learn how to negotiate, learn human behave, and take action. Those three things, if you have those three things in your suitcase or something like that, you like maybe 50% set. Yeah, because those are the main thing people don't usually learn from school. Yeah, I was in a university and my friend was a taxi driver. He stopped school at grade 7, something like that, but he know how to negotiate. He know how to value his job. Yeah, for me, I was studying at school, acting smart, but I don't know nothing about negotiation. Yeah, I just tell the price like that because I want money. No. And most people in this society nowadays, they don't have those skills. They just ready to work whatever it takes to get money, or they don't know the value. Yeah, so those are the skills I want to share with you guys. If you learn those things, I'm sure you can be financially free. Yeah, thank you to watch that video. I hope you guys enjoying this video. It's Monakes, your French boy. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, subscribe, and keep in touch with me so that I'll share like good information like that with you. And also give me a thumbs up if you are a returning subscriber or you are not, whatever. Give me a thumbs up, share this video so that it can help someone else. Yeah, and for that, I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye.